Today, we're diving deep into the buzz around the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's rumored to redefine the compact drone category with groundbreaking upgrades. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was impressive, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to take things much further, especially for drone enthusiasts who crave top-tier camera specs, extended flight times, and advanced flight technology, all while maintaining the ultra-lightweight form factor that made the Mini series a favorite. DJI Mini 5 Pro launch timeline and availability. Leaks suggest a possible launch window around September 2025, but with ongoing global supply chain issues, don't be surprised if the release slips into early 2026. DJI has been carefully balancing innovation and production, so a slight delay would not be unexpected. However, once it drops, this drone could quickly become a game-changer in the ultra-lightweight drone segment. Camera sensor upgrade. 1-inch sensor powerhouse. One of the biggest talking points is DJI's rumored switch from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro to a full 1-inch sensor on the Mini 5 Pro. This is a major leap for compact drones. A larger sensor means dramatically better performance in low-light environments and improved dynamic range. Perfect for capturing crisp, vibrant footage during golden hour or fast-moving sports action. This sensor upgrade will greatly enhance detail and color accuracy, which is critical for content creators who demand high-quality 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with HDR support. Alongside log-M and HLG profiles, color grading flexibility is guaranteed to be next level. This opens up professional-level post-production possibilities, even in a drone that weighs less than 250 grams. Enhanced video capabilities and vertical shooting. Vertical video capabilities remain, but with reportedly expanded flexibility, making it easier to shoot content optimized for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Another neat rumored feature is built-in audio recording, a feature that can elevate live commentary or ambient sound capture, reducing the need for separate audio gear during shoots. Flight time and range, 50 minutes and beyond. The Mini 5 Pro is said to push flight time to an impressive 50 minutes, a massive jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. This longer endurance is a huge advantage for those covering extensive outdoor events like marathons, cycling races, or long trekking adventures where changing batteries mid-flight isn't practical. Range also gets a boost with DJI potentially extending it up to 25 kilometers, about 15.5 miles. This expanded reach makes it perfect for covering wide areas such as sports complexes, large outdoor festivals, or expansive landscapes. DJI is reportedly also upgrading the motors with stronger, better-cooled units, which should improve flight stability and performance, especially in windy or challenging conditions. Cutting-edge obstacle avoidance with LiDAR. A truly exciting development is the possible integration of LiDAR obstacle avoidance in a sub-250G drone for the very first time. LiDAR, light detection and ranging, technology offers ultra-precise 3D mapping of the environment, allowing the drone to navigate tricky spaces like dense forests or crowded stadiums with far greater safety and accuracy. Complemented by AI-powered tracking, the Mini 5 Pro could automatically lock onto athletes, vehicles, or other moving subjects, acting almost like a personal aerial camera crew. This removes the stress of manual piloting and enables more cinematic, hands-free shots during dynamic activities like mountain biking, soccer matches, or triathlons. Advanced sensor setup for smarter flight. The Mini 5 Pro's sensor suite reportedly includes dual front-facing wide-angle sensors plus inward-facing sensors, allowing it to detect obstacles all around. This comprehensive sensor setup means the drone can anticipate and avoid hazards before they become a problem, vastly improving safety and ease of use. Weight and legal advantages. Despite all these high-end features, the drone is expected to maintain the ultra-lightweight status under 250 grams. This is crucial because it minimizes the need for drone registration in many countries and allows for easier transport. Just toss it in your bag and go. Some leaked images even show new propeller guards, which hint at a focus on safety, especially in crowded venues or tight flying environments. Possible 5.4K video resolution and compatibility. There's chatter about a possible jump to 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, though this isn't fully confirmed yet. Whether it hits that spec or not, it's clear DJI is prioritizing video sharpness, clarity, and detail more than ever. The Mini 5 Pro will likely remain compatible with the existing DJI RC2 controller, meaning users won't have to invest in entirely new accessories if they upgrade from previous Mini models. Pricing and models to expect. Price leaks suggest a starting cost of about $899 for the base model, with more comprehensive packages like a Fly More combo potentially hitting around $1,500. While this is notably higher than the Mini 4 Pro's base price of $759, the added features and improved specs could justify the premium for serious drone pilots and creators. You should keep an eye on the Mini 5 Pro. If you're passionate about sports tracking, aerial videography, or need a powerful but lightweight drone with long endurance and smart obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the perfect fit. Its combination of a larger sensor, extended flight times, LiDAR-enhanced safety, and AI tracking could redefine what's possible in the compact drone market. That's all for today's deep dive on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, make sure to explore more videos here on technology in the future for the latest tech insights and drone news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.